Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday night and no, it's Sunday night and I'm planning in my Hobonichi Cousin for Monday, the week of Monday the 30th. And I apparently didn't do a good job pre-planning because here I am like, wow, let me look through my stash. Let me see what I'm going to do this week. And guess what I have? Nothing. I mean, I have plenty of stuff, but I don't have anything fresh. Everything's fresh and new, but I don't have a new kit that I want to plan with. So I think I'm going to use lots of extras, leftovers, and pieces of the PSL cousin kit, and then I got these fun sheets, a little bit of leftover from that. I'm telling you guys, I was not prepared. I am a hot mess right now. I don't even know like where the washi is. So we're gonna make best of it. And by best of it, I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, because thing is, I don't have any date covers, but you don't really have to have them in the cousin. Okay, so this is the new pumpkin spice washi that's in the shop, and it's discounted because this cute guy in the middle doesn't have a little stem. But he's a misfit, aren't we all? It's all good. So I am going to just lay down this washi. I have been waiting for this washi. If you guys have been watching my videos, I think I've been talking about this washi all week. And I ordered it on Tuesday. I live in Florida, guys. It got here yesterday. Tasia's shipping from the shop is so amazing. She's like Amazon for stickers. Alright, so that's cute. And thing is that since I don't have any day covers, let's put this up here. Excuse the dog's squeaky toy. Last week I did the block scheduling and it really worked out well. I think that's something that I will possibly do again this week. Okay. So these are the leftover full boxes I have, which is perfect because there's 7. I think I am going to put them at the bottom. So cute. I'm gonna alternate some green in there. I don't know, I'm not like the biggest fan of lining up boxes. I don't know if I can do it, guys. Guess this is really actually a good video to do, even though it was kind of hurting me because last week I did essentially the same kit, but if you look at it, all I used was the day covers, the bottom washi, and the sidebar, which I actually didn't even use. So this is at least a good way of showing that even if you just get one kit, you can get multiple uses out of it for sure. Can't believe it's already Sunday night. The day went by so fast. The weekend went by fast, actually. Alright, so we'll have this alternating. I even have this. Oh, what? Where did George come from? Okay, so we'll have that kind of alternating. And I do really like these mugs. You know what? Since I don't really have a sidebar for this, and since y'all, I didn't even use it last week, I'm thinking we're gonna decorate instead. Love these couches. So cute. Put the couch there. Ooh, the stars. Okay, I don't know how much I lost you guys with that in frame, out of frame business. So, besides my page being ripped there, let's see. This is one of the Freebie Friday stickers. I just love all the stickers. I want to use them all because I love each and every one of them. And that's a problem. That's a problem. So these are the checklist. I'm just gonna turn them to the side and use them as a border. I basically have set it so that this is after 9 o'clock, all that extra deco. I was just thinking that it might be cute Hey guys, I think that's it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up leaving like the deco and stuff in the middle. I might just go ahead and post an after the pen on Instagram and do like the block scheduling like I did here. That seemed to work out really well on this planner. So I'm not sure. I might just take these out and just do highlights. But I really like the idea of the Happy Pumpkin Spice season and then just all the fun deco, minus like poking myself with the X-Acto knife. But I hope everybody has a wonderful week. You have a wonderful day. I will be posting tomorrow my cousin dailies. So I will be doing those. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a wonderful day.